This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites fast. Confirm enough storage, battery charge, and network access so updates don't fail mid-download. Open the App Store and tap your profile icon at the top right. This view shows available updates. If you're not signed in, sign in now with your Apple ID so purchases and updates authenticate. Once done, scan the list of pending app updates and prioritize essential apps first. Make sure to leave large downloads to Wi-Fi to save cellular data. You'll now execute updates. Tap Update for each app you want, or press Update all to run them sequentially. If a download stalls, long press the app icon on home to pause or resume. You can also cancel and retry from the App Store. Monitor progress via badges and the account page. Make sure background app refresh and automatic updates are configured in settings if you want updates to happen silently. Otherwise, manual control avoids unexpected bandwidth use. Finish by opening updated apps to confirm features and data integrity. Some apps require an in-app permission reacceptance after major updates. If an update fails, first restart your iPhone, confirm sufficient storage, and check your Apple ID status. Signing out and back in can clear authorization errors. If problems persist, delete the app and reinstall it, or update iOS to the latest version because compatibility bugs often cause failures. Remember, backing up before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.